Hey guys, so quick video for you on how you can reset a Sony MHC V13 party speaker. So it's pretty simple and it's nothing difficult. So first thing first, you want to completely unplug the speaker and then you just want to plug it back in. Then you just want to press the Fiesta and guitar buttons at the speaker and just want to press and hold them simultaneously. And then the indicator is going to light flash. And once the light flash and display shows reset, the speaker is restored to factory settings. So that's pretty much how we're going to do it. Super simple. So we're going to turn it off, turn it back on, and then press the Fiesta and the guitar, these two buttons together, press and hold them. And that's how we're going to do it. So thank you very much. And have a great day and goodbye.